Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here. Today I am recreating Parakeet Slimes' famous cereal milk. This is just a picture of her slime. You can see it's super glossy and super thick, and that is my goal today. So I'm going to leave a link down below for her YouTube channel, and you should definitely check her out. This is also a collab with my really amazing friend Mayel. You should go check her out and subscribe to her channel for amazing content. For this collab, we both are recreating Parakeet Slimes' cereal milk slime. If you want to see more collabs like this, comment down below #Mayleen. So here is a clip of Parakeet Slimes' OG cereal milk. You can use this as a comparison for Mayel and I's cereal milk recreation. It's super glossy and super thick, and that's what we want our slimes to be like. For this recreation, I am using glue wall. Glue wall just makes slime super thick and very glossy, and this is a key component in this slime. Parakeet Slime says that her slime has a school glue texture, so I'm going to be using some Elmer's school glue so that I can incorporate that same similar feel. I'm also using baby oil. Baby oil is just going to make the slime really glossy. And you will be needing any kind of activator. I am using my usual borax mix, which is 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water. As usual, you'll be needing a bowl and any kind of mixing tool. I am just using a spoon. First, I am actually just going to be using this container as a measuring tool so that I can be as precise as possible when I am eyeballing my half glue wall and half Elmer's school glue mix. So first, I'm just going to eyeball in some Elmer's school glue. This is just going to make the slime still have that school glue vibe, but still make it super thick and glossy. Now I'm just going to finish it off with the rest of it being glue wall. I'm just going to pour that in, and then we can go on with our next step. Now that I have my ratios of Elmer's school glue and Elmer's glue wall, I am just going to pour that in. I'm just going to be using a spoon to scrape out the insides because I don't want to waste absolutely any glue. Now, since we do have 2 different glues, you want to mix it in so that you can have all of the ingredients well incorporated. Next, I am just putting in some baby oil. Baby oil is going to make the slime super glossy. I'm just adding in a little bit in. Adding too much can really make the slime feel very, not rubbery, but you can feel the oils afterwards. Since this is oil, you want to really mix it in until it's mixed well. Activating slimes containing glue wall is really tricky. Glue wall can activate really quickly and become super tough if you do it as a normal slime. Now you want to stop activating when your slime reaches a stage like this. It's going to be super stringy and very tough to mix in. The slime will fool you because glue wall tends to activate very quickly and becomes super tough if you activate it as a normal slime. After I took the slime out of the bowl, I did not need to add in any extra activator. The slime was already turning out to be less sticky, and all I really needed to do was knead out all of that stringiness that happens due to the glue wall that is added into the slime. So this is the slime after I kneaded it. It's really nice and thick, but it's not glossy, just like Parakeet Slimes. So what I'm going to do is just leave out the slime in its container for around 2 to 3 days so that it can reach its maximum gloss. This is the slime after I left it out for 3 days straight. It's not as glossy as I wanted it to be because I didn't leave it out for as long as I should have, but it definitely has that thick quality just like Parakeet Slimes. So I want you guys to go comment down below whose slime looks as similar. I'll leave a clip after this for you guys to see. Alright, I should be quiet and let you guys listen to some ASMR. Since this is a collab with my really amazing friend Mayel, I want you guys to comment down below whose recreation looks as similar. This is her recreation of Parakeet Slimes cereal milk, and I think she put in a ton of valiant effort. And the results were absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Definitely go check out Mayel's channel and her recreation video. I'll leave a link down below and in the iCard. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!